Let's start with the basics. First, restart your router and ONT, which stands for Optical Network Terminal. This clears temporary caches and can resolve minor glitches that might be slowing down your connection. Next, check all your cable connections, ensuring they're securely plugged in. A loose connection can significantly impact your speed and cause intermittent issues. Finally, run a speed test using Verizon's MyFios app or a website like speedtest.net to establish a baseline measurement of your current speeds. This helps identify if the issue is with your connection or elsewhere. Wi-Fi performance depends heavily on router placement. Elevate your router and position it in a central, open location away from walls and metal objects. Use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app available on smartphones to identify the least congested Wi-Fi channel and manually set your router to that channel. Consider upgrading to a Wi-Fi 6 router for better performance, especially with multiple devices connected. For the most reliable connection on Verizon Fios, use a wired setup with an Ethernet cable. This bypasses Wi-Fi interference and provides stable speeds. Connect an Ethernet cable directly from your router's LAN port to your computer's Ethernet port. This creates a direct wired link. Use a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable with proper wiring to ensure fast speeds. Test your internet speed using a wired connection to compare with Wi-Fi performance. Visit speedtest.net for accurate results. Compare speeds. If wired is fast but Wi-Fi is slow, optimize your wireless setup. If both are slow, contact Verizon for network issues. Use Verizon's diagnostics tools or check router settings to troubleshoot equipment problems. Review your Verizon Fios plan to confirm the speeds you're paying for. Check your account details or bill to see your current plan tier and advertised download speeds. If you're consistently getting significantly lower speeds than advertised, this indicates a problem that may require an upgrade. Compare your actual speeds with what you're paying for. Consider upgrading to a higher tier plan. Verizon offers plans up to 2 gigabit per second, which can alleviate congestion issues, especially with multiple users or bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming and gaming. In 2025, Verizon expanded its fiber network, so upgrades might be more accessible now. This expansion means more areas can support higher speed plans. Outdated routers and ONTs can significantly impact your Verizon Fios performance by causing slower speeds and connection issues. The router handles your home Wi-Fi network, and an old one may not support high speeds or have security vulnerabilities. Check if it's provided by Verizon or if you're using your own equipment. The ONT, or Optical Network Terminal, converts fiber signals to data your devices use. If faulty, it can limit your speeds. Verizon automatically pushes mandatory firmware updates to their equipment, which can improve performance and fix bugs. If you're using your own router or ONT, make sure it's compatible with Fios technology and has the latest firmware installed to avoid compatibility issues. If you suspect your ONT is faulty despite updates, contact Verizon support for diagnostics or replacement. Verizon has implemented Fios Quantum enhancements using AI to optimize bandwidth allocation during peak hours, reducing slowdowns by up to 30% in congested areas. To benefit from these enhancements, check that your services are properly configured through your router settings or Verizon's support tools. Fios TV One integration should provide seamless streaming without interruptions, combining internet and TV services efficiently. If slow speeds continue despite these optimizations, use Verizon's self-service tools in the MyFios app to run diagnostics, check signal strength, and report any persistent problems directly to support. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your Verizon Fios speeds are still slow, it's time to contact Verizon support. Verizon offers multiple ways to reach support, including chat, phone, or submitting a support request through their website. When contacting support, be prepared with details about your speed tests, the equipment you're using, and all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. Keep an eye on future trends like hybrid Fios and 5G networks, which combine fiber with wireless technology for better coverage in underserved areas. Proactive fixes using AI will help predict and prevent network issues before they affect your speeds. Verizon aims for 100% fiber coverage in their footprint by 2030, which should significantly improve overall reliability and speed. Recent user satisfaction scores have improved thanks to Verizon's proactive troubleshooting tools. Utilize these tools for the best experience. By staying informed about support options and future developments, you can ensure the best possible Verizon Fios experience.